In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect on LinkedIn at a high level, and I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do, and also how to stand out from the crowd. So let me start off immediately by talking about maybe going back to step one, and that's creating a powerful profile. But really what's most important is what's up here. And why I say that is that when you invite somebody to connect with you, they have a very short attention span or time, and they're going to just look at this up here. So your photo in some way needs to stand out, jump off the page a little bit. Your profile photo just needs to be good. And this is the most important right here. So you need to set some status here. When they look at this, they've got to say this person is worth connecting to. Now let me get into the actual process of connecting. So if you do this, well, everybody on LinkedIn only gets 100 invites a week. So that's only 400 a month. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of automation that will allow you to do a bit more than that, probably about 800 a month. But also, as I have promoted, or this entire course is about, is connecting to people, messaging people for only 15 minutes a day of your time and $15 a month. So let me jump over to the software real quick and just explain something to you very quickly. I happen to use Linked Helper too. There's a whole bunch of apps out there, but as again I just said a minute ago, it's only $15 a month. That's there's nothing that compares to that. But what you do is you end up setting up a campaign, a connection campaign, and it does the work for you. It'll connect. Let's say you're starting in the beginning of the week. It'll connect to 50 people on Monday, 50 people on Tuesday. Now there's your 100. And then another, in most cases, another 20 the rest of the week. But it'll do it for you, and it'll run in the background. This runs, you don't need it to be up and in your way. You can be doing whatever else you're doing in your business. You can do your email, it doesn't matter. You literally, it will run while it's minimized. And it will probably, in the minimized state, if you're connecting with about 50 people, probably take less than an hour, around an hour or so. So anyway, I am saying that you should, again, as I said in one of the original videos, you should really take advantage of everything that LinkedIn offers. So definitely do that 100 a week. Manually, that would be very difficult. So again, I'm just suggesting, or I'm not suggesting necessarily, but offering that you could use automation of some nature. And I'll get into the automation in one of the next steps.